I'll show how to replace a broken hinge on a Werner multi-position ladder. The hinge is up here at the top. A replacement hinge can be ordered on Amazon, and I'll place a link to it in the description. Also, I plan to make a second video showing how to repair a hinge that is stuck in the open position. To remove the hinge, the ladder has to be laid out flat, like this. Okay, first we'll remove the rubber cap. After removing the cap, we'll remove the two snap rings that hold the hinge onto the ladder. Okay, there's an inner snap ring and an outer snap ring. Okay, we'll use snap ring pliers to remove the outer snap ring. Then remove the hard plastic cap. Next, we'll remove the inner snap ring. Now that we've removed the snap rings, we can just remove the hinge from the ladder. Installing the hinge works the same, just in reverse. There's a bump on the side of the sleeve that has to be lined up. And then we put the rubber cap on.